Hello and welcome to the spider stitch. For materials, you will need a basic size 4 yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. To start, you will chain in an odd number of chains, then add 2 for turning. For row 1, we will place a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet into the 3rd chain from hook. Skip the next chain. Then place a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet into the next chain. Repeat these instructions until the last 2 chains. In the last 2 chains, you will skip 1 and then place a single crochet into the very last chain. For row 2, we will chain 2 and turn. Working into the chain 1 space from the previous row, place a single crochet, chain 1, single crochet. Repeat these instructions down the row. When you get to the end of the row, you will place 1 single crochet into the turning chain. Repeat row 2 until the desired length, then fasten off and weave in your tails.